Hello everybody, my name is Situ Asih. I come from 11 Maret University, Surakarta. I want to presentation my article with title Building Identity Through Social Movement, Study on Nichiren Sosu Assembly in Central Java. The Nichiren Sosu Council is a Buddhist religious institution that has developed in Indonesia since the 1950. The Nichiren Sosu Council did not use Buddha Rupang or Buddha statues in the puja room so that it's considered not to recognize Sakyamuni Buddha as a Buddha. The Council of Nichiren Sosu made Vesak as a day of reciprocation. It is considered by Walubi that Nichiren Sosu has changed the significance of Vesak. During its development, this assembly was considered a heretical, strange religion and was not part of Buddhism. Literature review in the article. Social identity. Social identity is the individual knowledge that is shared by the social community with significant emotional and value to the membership of particular community. Next, social movement. Social movements are one of the tools to explain certain conditions of exciting social groups. And next, Assembly of Nichiren Sosu. The Nichiren Sosu Assembly was first held by a general chairman named Seno Sunoto, a Japanese aristocrat born in Surabaya on September the 24th, 1927. Apart from being known as a religious man, Seno Sunoto is also known as a fighter for assimilating Chinese citizens in Indonesia. Next, methodology. The research was conducted in Central Java Province. The existence of the Nichiren Sosu Council in Central Java is divided into 6 target areas called Sentra. Sentra 1 or Sentra 1 is located in the Soloraya area. Sentra 2 or Sentra 2 covers the Karanganyar and Sragen area. The third center or Sentra 3 is the Purwokerto area and its surroundings. The fourth center or Sentra 4 is the city of Salatiga and Purwodadi. Center 5 or Sentra 5 covers the areas of Kebumen, Purworejo, and Center 6 or Sentra 6 consists of the cities of Semarang and Kudus. The data in this study were obtained from interview, observation, and documentation study. Next, result and discussion. Based on the research result, it can be explained the Nichiren Sosu Council as one of the Buddhist religious institutions that developed in Indonesia, has carried out a socio-religious movement. Nichiren Sosu Council did not place Buddha image as object of worship. The non-use of Buddha image or Buddha statues as object of worship in the Nichiren Sosu Assembly is not without reason. The statue is man-made. People's perception of the statues in the Nichiren Sosu Assembly, Buddhists don't worship the personification of the statue because it does not change a person's faith. In principle, Buddha shows the way. Man can change his destiny if he follows the Buddha's path, not because of worshipping his image. Not placing Buddha image or statues of Buddha at the altar of the Nichiren Sosu Assembly does not mean that the Nichiren Sosu Council does not respect Gautama Buddha as a great teacher. But in every Dharma Desana or Dharma talk carried out by the leader of the assembly or by the Dharma Duta, it is always conveyed the importance of appreciating the great teacher. In this case, one of them of Gautama or Sakyamuni Buddha and Nichiren Buddha, who have taught the great law of Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. Next, monks. Monk is generally defined as a person who has lived a worldly life. One of the characteristics is that monks are not married and have children. So, it is clear in the Vinaya that it is written that a monk shall not have sexual intercourse precisely at Parajika 4, where if it is violated, then a monk will lose his monastic status. But at the Nichiren Shoshu assembly, things were different. Our monks are married and also have children. Monk of Nichiren Shoshu who is married and has children does not mean that the monk deviates and violates Vinaya. It was further explained that monks are human beings. There is no difference between monks and ordinary people. Both of them are practitioners of the Sadharma Pundarika Sutra. Both bodhisattva appears from the earth. The only thing that distinguishes them is their practice. If monks have maintained the law, then ordinary people carry out the text of Buddhism during society. Making Vesak as a day or reciprocation to the environment. Nation and state is marked by holding ritual or prayer together simultaneously during Vesak. Besides that, it is also marked by carrying out various activities and social service such as working at the hero graveyard or carrying out blood donation activities. By carrying out social activities, the Nichiren Shoshu Assembly is better known in the ears of the public in general and among the government. This was one of the strategies adopted by the Nichiren Shoshu Council to gain a good name and image as a religious institution. In conclusion, based on the result of the discussion in the previous description, it can be explained that the Nichiren Shoshu Council built its identity by carrying out various forms of socio-religious movement. The social movement carried out can be divided in two broad lines, namely social movement in the form of religious practice and the form of religious social activities. Thank you.